Chemistry. Chemistry, the branch of science that deals with identification of substances of what matter is composed, the investigation of their properties and the ways in which they interact, combine and change, and the use of these processes to form new substances. There are the 5 branches of chemistry. Analytical chemistry. Analytical chemistry uses qualitative and quantitative observation to identify and measure the physical and chemical properties of substances. In a sense, all chemistry is analytical. Physical chemistry. Physical chemistry combines chemistry with physics. Physics chemistry are study how matter and energy interact. Thermodynamics and quantum mechanics are 2 of the important branches of physical chemistry. Organic chemistry. Organic chemistry specifically studies compounds that contain the element carbon. Carbon has many unique properties that allow it to form complex chemical bonds and very large molecules. Organic chemistry is known as the chemistry of life because all of the molecules that make up living tissue have carbon as a part of their makeup. Inorganic chemistry. Inorganic chemistry studies materials such as metal and gases that do not have carbon as a part of their makeup. Biochemistry. Biochemistry is a study of chemical processes that occur within the living organisms. Functional group and chemical bonding. What is a functional group? A functional group is a portion of molecule that is classified groups of bonds atom. In organic chemistry, it is very common to see molecules comprised mainly of carbon backbone within functional groups attached to the chain. As example, alcohol is OH, aldehyde CHO, and ketone O. Electron shell is the outside part of an atom around the atomic nucleus. It is a group of atomic orbitals with the same value of principal quantum number n. The 4 shells are S2, P6, D10 and F14. Orbit and orbital. We will see the difference between these 2, orbit and orbitals. Orbit, as postulated by Bohr, an orbit is a defined circular path at a definite distance from the nucleus in which the electron revolves around the nucleus. Orbits are designated by the capital letters K, L, M, and N, etc. Orbital, as postulated by wave nature of an electron. An orbital is a 3-dimensional region around the nucleus within which the probability of finding an electron is maximum. Orbitals are designated by SPD, etc. Orbits. Orbits are circular in shape, whether the orbitals have different shapes. Orbit represents the planar motion of an electron. An orbital represents the 3-dimensional motion of the electron around the nucleus. Orbit indicates an exact position of an electron in an atom, whereas the orbital does not specify the exact position of an electron in an atom. The maximum number of electrons in an orbit is equal to 2n squared, where n is the number of orbits, and an orbital cannot accommodate more than 2 electrons. Resonance. Resonance is a way of describing delocalized electrons with molecules of polyatomic ions where the bonding cannot be exposed by one single live structure. A molecule or ion with such delocalized electrons is represented by several contributing structures or resonance. Aromaticity. First aromatic term used by August Wilhelm Hofmann in 1855. The term aromaticity is used to describe a cyclic planar molecule with a ring of resonance bonds that exhibits more stability than other geometric or connective arrangement within the same set of atoms. Functional groups. Esters and carboxylic acid is an organic compound which contains carboxylic acid as COH, and the ester is an acid in which the least one OH group replaced by an O alkyl group. The general formula of carboxylic acid is RCOOH, with referring to the rest of the molecule. Amides. An amide is a compound with the functional group R and S2. Most common are carboxamides. Aldehydes. An aldehyde or alkaline is an organic compound containing a functional group with a structure CHO. Consisting of a carbon in the center, a carbon double bonded to oxygen, with a carbon atom also bonded to hydrogen and to an air group. Ketones. Ketone is an organic compound with the structure ROR, where R and R can be variety of carbon containing substances. Thank you for your patient listening.